This is Jaguar XF. This is a supercharged model, but it should be the same for any other 4.2, 5.0 models. To remove the shifter, electronic shifter, the parking brake thing, first I removed the dash trim. What I did is I just put a screwdriver underneath the clip things and I pried it open, and it goes for about up here. After that, both sides of the console, it has this little trim things. It has one screw on the top. You remove that. I would do both sides. Well, technically you can just do the left side. Also, I pried open this side console panel. I just pulled it with my hands, it came loose. The actual shifter has about 2 screws in front, Torx T30, and it has, if I'm not mistaken, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 Torx in the back, and a big cable plug, and that's it. Also, I did pry open this little trim pieces. There's 3 of them, 1 in the front, 2 like in the middle. I just pried them up. I had like this little clip removal. You can use a flathead screwdriver. After you pry them open, there's gonna be a bunch of screws. You just follow the screws all the way until it's loose. And also had to remove the AC control unit. First I had like a trim around it, a couple screws, remove that. Then it has more screws, so it's like a big puzzle. Took about 20 minutes, maybe 15. And if you want to remove the cup holder, I just press this out, pull that out, had a little rubber cover here, has more screws there, and underneath the shifter there's more screws, Torx, and the whole console will be removed. Or if you want to remove the cup holder, so you gotta remove the shifter, I guess. Okay.